Assalamu alaikum students, I am Gazanfar, your chemistry tutor, and welcome to MD-CAT chemistry crash course. And today we are going to discuss about some MCQs of stereochemistry. And our first question is, which of the following does not show geometric isomerism? And the geometric isomers or geometric isomerism is a phenomenon in which compounds having same molecular formula, same structural formula, same order of connectivity of atoms and the same bond sequence, but they are different with respect to the three-dimensional orientation of atoms and bonds in space due to the restricted rotation of double bond. ऐसे कंपाउंड जिनका मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला सेम हो, स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला सेम हो, ऑर्डर ऑफ कनेक्टिविटी ऑफ एटम भी सेम हो, बट दे आर डिफरेंट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द three-dimensional orientation of atom and bonds in space due to the restricted rotation of double bond. It means that geometric isomerism में डबल बॉन्ड का होना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि डबल बॉन्ड होगा तो रिस्ट्रिक्टेड रोटेशन होगी. द बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिक आइसोमेरिज्म इज दैट टू डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स अटैच विद ईच कार्बन. हर कार्बन के साथ दो डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स का अटैच होना ज़रूरी है. सो हियर इन अल्फा there is a methyl group here, bromine group here. It means that two different groups attached with this carbon, two different groups attached with this carbon. So this isomer is show geometric isomerism, and it is a cis isomer because similar group lie on same side of the double bond. So this is cis isomer. Beta is there is a double bond, and this carbon, two different groups attached with this carbon and two different groups attached with this carbon. The basic requirement of geometric isomerism is that two different groups attached with each carbon. So this is a cis trans isomer because chlorine gets number 1 purity on the basis of the atomic number, hydrogen gets number 2 purity, methyl group gets number 1 purity, hydrogen gets number 2 purity. Atoms of high purity lie on opposite side of the double bond, so it is a trans isomer. It is trans isomer. So beta also show geometric isomerism. Charlie is this one. We will observe that each carbon is bonded with two different groups. Two different groups attached with each carbon, and the atoms of high purity or similar group lie on opposite side of the double bond. So Charlie is also trans isomer. And in delta we will observe that two similar groups attached with this carbon and two different groups attached with this carbon. So due to this carbon that is directly bonded with two similar groups, this compound does not show geometric isomerism because the basic requirement is not fulfilled. The basic requirement of geometric isomerism is that two different groups attached with each carbon. अब यहाँ पे देखें तो similar groups attached है इस कार्बन के साथ. That's why delta does not show geometric isomerism. This compound does not show geometric isomerism. Second question is 1, 2 and 3. These compounds are isomers of each other. ये हमने बताना है. Alpha is 1 and 2, beta is 1 and 3, delta, sorry, this is Charlie. 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, and all of these. So isomers are such compound that having same molecular formula but different structural formula or different order of connectivity of atoms. So if these compounds having same molecular formula, then we can say that they are isomers of each other. It does not matter कि वो पोजिशन आइसोमर है, फंक्शनल ग्रुप आइसोमर्स है, मेटामर्स है, टाटोमर्स है, जो भी हैं, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन विच कंपाउंड्स आर आइसोमर्स ऑफ ईच अदर, ये हमने बताना. तो देखिए अल्फा में हमारे पास है CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड, CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड O, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH3. द मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला इज C3H8O. बीटा इज sorry, this is number 1 compound and this is number 2 compound. Number 1 and this is number 2, it has C3H8O, and the third one, that is C3H8O. It means that these three isomers having same molecular formula, so they are isomers of each other. So our delta is the right answer. 1, 2 and 3 are isomers of each other. तो यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे है हमारे पास एक ईथर ग्रुप अटैच, यहाँ पे है हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप अटैच. इट मीन्स दैट 1 and 2 आर फंक्शनल ग्रुप आइसोमर. इसका मतलब है 1 and 2 आर functional group isomer. And the second one and the third one, they having same molecular formula and same functional group, but position is different. It means that 2 and 3 are position isomers. 2 and 3 are position isomers. 1 and 3. 1 में देखिए हमारे पास है ether functional group, third में hydroxyl functional group, such compounds that having same molecular formula but different functional groups. Such isomers are functional group isomer. It means that 1 and 3 also functional group isomers of each other. According to the question, all of these compounds are isomers of each other. So this is all about the some MCQs of stereochemistry.